What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. We got the beast out today, fired up for the first time this year, and we're going to be doing our first mowing video. We got the supervisor out here to make sure we mow straight lines, Rambo, and we got Goofy over there ready to play some ball when we're done mowing on the fresh grass. We got the John Deere Z970R. We're going to be mowing the grass. If you guys like footage like this, if you're in the market for a zero turn or you just need some tips on how to keep your grass looking good, smash that like button and subscribe. We got some good footage for you. Just a quick show you what we mow. We have a total of 7.2 acres in Pennsylvania. The grass is maybe 5-6 inches long. I would have liked to mow last week, but we were away on vacation. But we used the John Deere Z970R. Just going to give you a quick overview of this. We have the Z-Glide suspension on the front here. That's really the only aftermarket thing other than the chute blocker. This really helps out with absorbing the bumps as you're mowing quick. We got a chute blocker on here. This is a 72-inch hydraulic lift deck, and you lift it by pushing the buttons on the steering sticks. Again, like I said, 72-inch deck. We do have the wheels on the back. 35 horsepower engine. That's pretty much it. It does have the Comfort Glide seat that you can dial in your weight, and this thing will bounce up and down and move front and back as you're driving to really absorb the bumps. We're going to be mowing at 3 1/4 today, and then we'll probably bump that down next week. The grass is pretty long here. This is my favorite time of the season to mow because you really got the green grass. Things start straightening up real nice, get everything even. This is our third season using the Z970R. We're approaching 200 hours. We don't mow commercially. We just mow our property. If any of you guys are commercial mowers and you use this, man, help us out in the comments. People got a lot of questions, and I can only answer from what I know, and that's just mowing my property. But we bought this because we like mowing quick. Mowing fast is the most important thing to me. I want to get it done and knocked out. We did check the oil yesterday. Everything's good to go. Hydraulic fluid looks good. It's all fueled up. The blades are not really sharp. I did not sharpen them after last season, and here's why. I like treating my zero turn like a brush hog for the first couple weeks. Instead of cleaning all this brush up, I just run over it. If I can drive over it, I mow it. So don't take my advice. Probably don't want to do that. It's probably better to come out here and just pick this stuff up, but I don't do that. I just run over it, and I shoot it out like a bullet. It goes flying across the yard, but it's easier than picking it up for me. So the blades are not sharp, but that's okay for this first couple times because they're going to get destroyed running over the brush. Once we get all the brush from the winter cleaned up, we will switch out the blades so they are sharp. The only issue I had firing it up this year is I forgot to disengage the battery last winter. Super simple fix. Just pulled the tractor up beside it, charged it up, and it's been good to go. So I hope you guys enjoy the footage. If you have any questions, leave us a comment down below. All right, thanks for watching. We're gonna get the dogs out here and let them exercise a little bit in the freshly cut grass. Stay tuned. At the end of this video, we will show you guys the drone footage, which is an overview of our property, and it shows you how well the John Deere stripes. There's no striping equipment on that zero turn. This is all just stock, what it looks like. Again, I drove through it a little bit with the tractors, and so you'll see some lines going across, but that's what it does stock. We don't have any additions for the striping. It does a real nice job on the property. All right, let's see if these guys listen. Rambo, sit. Off. Bluffing. Bluffing. Quiet. Quiet. Yes! Rambo's a very good dog. He likes to be obedient. Trigger, a little less obedient. He likes to fetch. But we got some good content coming up this year. If you guys enjoy the mowing videos, please don't hesitate to ask us any questions down below in the comments. If you have any questions about the Z970R, we're looking at some other options for mowing this property. So if you have any recommendations, or if you have a guess on the way that we're leaning, let us know down below. One big project we have coming up is we're going to finish this shop. The interior is going to be insulated. We're going to finish the electrical, and we're going to put metal siding and white pine on the walls. And then we're also going to finish interior portion of the shop. There's 3 finished rooms in there now. We are going to turn that into a luxury suite. And long-term rent it. So if you have any interest in real estate, let me know down below in the comments. We're gonna probably shift a little bit of our content more towards real estate, because we do have 1 rental property now, and we're looking to expand this to 2 with that, and then maybe do some more in the future. So if you guys enjoy this type of content, please subscribe. And we got this drone footage for you now for you to look at. Thanks for watching.